We now begin with another topic, that is organ transplantation, organ and body donation. We all have heard about people donating money, food, clothing to the poor and the needy. But from last few years, we all have been hearing as well as reading about organ donation, body donation, and organ transplantation. Let us try to understand these terms. Organ transplantation. This refers to the transplantation of an organ from body of one person, that is the donor, to another person, which is the recipient. Now this recipient, due to some reason, his some vital organ has failed to function. But when this person receives that vital organ from the donor, he gets a new lease of life and he can lead a normal life. Similarly, we have organ donation. Organs can be donated during the lifetime of the person, but it can even be donated after death. So there are some organs which can be donated while the person is alive, and he can even donate the organs once he is dead. And lastly, we have even body donation. That is, the entire body after the death of the person can be donated. Now, one person, if he or she is donating the body and the organs, then he can save life of up to 10 persons. So life of about 10 persons can be saved if the person pledges to donate all the organs of the body. So one can pledge the organ donation during his lifetime, and if not, then concern from the family members is taken, and then the organs can be donated. So gradually people are becoming aware about this. They are coming out of their beliefs regarding organ and body donation, and they have started donating the organs. So human body becomes functionless due to aging, accident, infection, etc., which may lead to fatality. So sometimes it so happens that due to aging, certain vital organs of the body fail to function. Sometimes due to accident, some vital organ is damaged, or due to infection, a particular organ doesn't function. So due to these reasons, the person may die, or these conditions may be fatal to him. If a person gets the necessary organ, his life can be saved. But if that person gets the organ that he requires at the right time, then the life of that person can be saved. Availability of donor is an important requirement in organ transplantation. So what is important is we need donors. So this donors, these donors will come only when there is awareness in the society. Only when the people become aware about this organ donation and that they pledge to donate their organs, then the life of so many people can be saved. So availability of donor is important. Skin and kidney can be donated by a person during his lifetime. So some organs in the body can be donated when the person is still alive, like kidney and skin. So since we have two kidneys, we can survive with one and we can donate one. However, liver, heart and eyes can be donated only after death. So liver to certain extent can be donated. A few days back there was this news of a father donating some part of its liver to the son, but unfortunately the son didn't recover from this. But liver to certain extent, a little part of the liver can be given during the lifetime. So liver, heart and eyes all can be donated only after the death. So eyes, corneas can be donated. Concepts like organ and body donation have emerged recently after advancement in science. So this particular concept of organ donation is a recent one, and awareness among people is gradually coming, and due to the advancement in science, it has been possible that the organs can be transplanted. We even hear of green corridors being created between two cities, and how the donor is in one city and the recipient in the other, and within a very short period of time the organ has to be transported and then finally transplanted. So this is all possible because of the advancement in science. It has been realized that many organs remain functional even after death. So there are number of organs which continue to function even after death. So let us read more about organ donation in the next slide.